Hi, it's your girl Cynthia. Please, I'm actually back again to talk about one product, like one product. Hi, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, Cynthia. Returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Alright, please like and comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about one particular product that everyone else is talking about. Okay, but that product here is people don't understand the product. Like, people think that product can work everything that you want to do. It can work, can make you white, can make you good. I'm talking about a product that everybody thinks that is good to use and clear knuckles. Okay, let's talk about how to clear knuckles now. So this product I'm going to show you now, sorry, it's like I'm talking too much, I'm very sorry. This product I'm going to show you now, it's product that it doesn't actually work for everybody. Do you understand? It doesn't actually work for everybody, but it works. It works on some knuckles. The product I'm talking about is Pimentos. Hope you guys can see it. This is it, Pimentos. So this product I'm talking about now is a lightening product. Yeah, lightening product. Though they didn't actually write hydroquinone on it and on it, but I bet you this product has 2% of hydroquinone on it. This product, Pimentos, are you seeing it? This product, it has 2% of hydroquinone on it. Make your research. It clears knuckles. So the way this product works is it's peel off your knuckles. Like, what does it know? It's peel it off. Oh yeah, it's peel off your knuckles. That's how it works. It's peel off knuckles. But it's not everybody it works for. It depends on the kind of skin that you have. But Pimentos, actually, people recommend this for for knuckles, and it's actually working on something. Like those ones that have a terrible knuckle, like all your knuckles are black, like they are dark, you can use Pimentos to be peeling it off. It's just for peeling off. It's not like it's going to wipe the knuckles, or it's going to do this. But people are mistaken. Some people think that Pimentos is meant for this thing, what is it called? It's meant for knuckles remover and all that. I will tell you, I've tested this product. As you can see, I use it on my formulation. Are you seeing? It's open. I use it on my formulation. It doesn't really clear knuckles like the way people are saying it here on YouTube. It does not really clear knuckles. It's only peel it off. Like, so maybe I've been to peeling it off little by little, little by little, little by little. Do you understand? That's the only thing this thing will do. It only helps you to peel it off some parts of the knuckles that you have, because this thing is not actually good to apply direct to skin. Do you understand? It's not actually good to apply direct to skin. You can only apply Pimentos the areas that you are having that knuckles and all that. You know, some people have knuckles from cream, while some have it normal. You know, while some have it by missing different kind of creams on them. So Pimentos is just a lightening product. It's a lightening cream. The lightening cream, you can use it to light up some black areas on your body by peeling. It peels it off. Like, if you say like 3 days of using this Pimentos, it will start peeling off little by little, and you say you'll be seeing that it's peeling up, but it's not like it's going to remove the knuckles. You understand? That's just the work of this Pimentos. Okay, you don't want to peel off anything on your skin, like knuckles, all those dark, when I mean dark, all those dark knuckles like this, you want to peel them, just buy Pimentos. In 3 days time, you see that areas have started peeling off little by little, little by little. That's what it works. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please, if you have anything, if you have anything you want me to put out here for you guys, if you want me to put out anything here that you want, how to do anything, reviews on anything, if you have any product that you want me to give you reviews on, you can just come to my comment section, drop it on the comment. I'll be checking comment section and I'll be answering you guys questions one after the other. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Help your sister. Please subscribe, please. If you're not subscribed, there's no how I can continue doing this thing, because you guys that would have to like help me for me to move ahead. Please subscribe. I'm begging. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, thank you.